One.
Hey, I'm Pete Gluszek from the Bass University. I'm getting ready for the Bassmaster Classic. Believe it or not, I'm up here at the DCU Center in Worcester, Massachusetts. We're having a blizzard of a lifetime. But I'm stuck up here, but I'm doing seminars this weekend. I'm supposed to be in Dallas. I can't make it there because the airports are shut down. I'm talking fishing here. And this is what we do in preparation for the Classic. Last week I was out on the ice-covered Delaware River with my new bass cat, practicing, getting some cold water fishing experience in. This weekend I'm talking seminars, and it's just